How to fix Java Runtime is incompatible, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first just click here and then type run. Now click on it, and once you're here type percent up data percent, and now just click OK, and here you will find Minecraft folder. All you need to do, just click on it and then select those two files, resource box and saves. Now just right click and then click cut. Now just paste it on your desktop, and after that just go back and then right click on it and click delete. Then your problem must be fixed, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just run Minecraft and then come back here to this folder, and you will find the same folder here, and then just paste those two files there. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.